I saw like something moving in my backyard. Later I found out it was a bunny.
You're so cute! How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid?
Oh, the puppies are whining. They're jealous.
She would like run up to me like a dog and just eat out of my hand. It was just very rewarding watching her grow up day by day. She was also moving around a bit more, and she would like run around the furniture and stuff.
You exploring, are you? Where are you going?
She's so cute.
You're so cute, little baby. She's gotten so big.
Not the bug in a row.